Kit Close-Up. I'm Bill Wong, and today we're going to be taking a look at Maxim's Smart AI Camera. We'll start by taking a look at the system. There's a microphone at the bottom, and then you can see the camera has two LEDs on either side of it for illumination if you need be. On the side you can see the micro SD card for recording things, power switch, and the USB Type-C port for debugging. There are 4 buttons that are also LEDs for providing additional feedback, audio input and output, and another audio output port connected to the AI chips. The debug board plugs into the USB Type-C connection, and there are 2 additional USB ports for debugging purposes. Pop the thing open here, and then you can see that it has 2 boards on the inside. The one on the left is the AI board, and the one on the right is the connectivity board, and there's a battery. The unit comes with a bunch of pre-programmed applications, so all you have to do is power it on and you can check things out. One of the neat things is it'll show off how the camera actually works. So you can see when I fire this thing off, and you can see underneath my hand is being photographed by the camera. And it's not doing a whole lot of analysis right now, but we'll get to that in just a few minutes. So let's take a closer look at what's actually going on inside the system. There's the connectivity board and the AI board, which we took a look at before. On the connectivity board, there's an ARM Cortex M4F that has Bluetooth version 5 support. It also has the USB Type-C connector where you're actually going to be able to interface to the system. And it has support for all the other various pieces like the display LCD, the touchscreen, and so on. The AI board actually has a pair of Max 78,000 systems. These are the AI accelerators, and both of them have a Cortex M4F in them as well, but that's more for coordination. The reason there are 2 is one handles all of the image sensing, and the other one handles all the audio. Now for a quick look at the application that's hooked in via Bluetooth. It allows you to change all of the settings. The application can also manage a database of images, which it can then configure and generate a signature for the AI that you can then download to the system. Once you've uploaded that, you can see I can point the camera at myself, and eventually it recognizes me based on the data that I had just uploaded. As noted earlier, the system has 2 AI engines, one for audio, one for video. And you can see here, you can actually say a command to start up the video part. This actually makes it very easy to program the system because you don't have to worry about whether the audio side or the video side are going to be conflicting with each other. Eventually, once you design a system, you could actually consolidate it onto a single chip because it can run multiple AI models, but it all depends upon what the performance is and a number of other factors, but something that you can always work on later in your system. Comes with a number of applications to recognize things like cats and dogs and so on. The nice thing is all the source code is available on GitHub. Likewise, there's a free SDK for developing, and that can be downloaded as well from Maxim's website. The default configuration includes some image recognition of famous people like Brad Pitt, but of course I like it when I could configure it so I could be recognized. Thanks again for watching Kit Close-Up. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode.